Welcome back to the shop. It's been a long time. As you guys notice, name has changed. A couple things are going to be a little bit different running forward. We're going to try to get you guys a lot more track content, a lot more product reviews, some special product reviews like we're doing today. But today's video is brought to you by 9G Composites. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. You can find this product on groupandgarage.com now.
Yeah, we're gonna dive right into this. As you saw the title, we got some fresh carbon for the FL5. If you guys are interested in this product, hit up Lewis over at Group and Garage Sales and he'll be able to plug you guys up if you guys are interested in this piece. What'd you say? No, say it again.
It was a sales at Group.
You guys happy? Hey, do you mind? Hey, I only got so much memory in the phone here, so if you wanna
You serious?
get going.
Keep going where?
You gotta panel over it. He don't work anymore.
All right, take it away, Morris.
So let's
first
do the
thing he says.
unveiling.
Nice. Little dry
There's
carbon.
two things here. There's a theme going on. Someone has an addiction with dry carbon. Dry carbon spoon, dry carbon hood vent, dry carbon mirror caps. There's a theme going on here, as you can tell. And someone, likes full wet carbon, people like dry carbon, to each their own. As you can see, carbon, back is carbon. And we like this option just because it's dry carbon. And if you guys want it, you guys know where to go. Sales at Group and Garage. They also do provide hardware, so there's no need for anything.
But anywho, like I'm saying, fitment without screws was pretty spot on, was good. Now again, we're gonna go ahead and mock everything up. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of those, but we can always get something different later on down the road. That's a keen observation.
Hey guys, I'm right here. Hi. How's everyone doing?
That's all that. All right, boys, we're all set here. This was pretty simple. It looks pretty good. Like I said, fitment came out looking pretty spot on. There was no modification needed. I'm not too keen on the hardware, but we'll fix that down the line. Again, it fits pretty good. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it's anchored up pretty tight. And again, don't crank down on it when you're bolting it in. You're gonna snap the damn thing.
You know what maybe we can do? I like a little piece of foam under.
Oh yeah, for vibration, huh?
Maybe.
It doesn't get
We're gonna
messed
see.
up.
We don't even know how. We've never even first time putting it on, so.
But yeah, looks
That'd
good.
That'd be a simple fix. Just
Yeah, something simple. But anyway,
it cannot be perfect, but come on.
it's carbon, right? It's carbon. Anyway, if you guys are interested in any of these parts, the coil pack cover, spark plug cover, if you're interested in these engine vent cool plate, whatever you want to call that. But if you're interested in all these pieces, go ahead and hit up Lewis at where?
Go to www.groupandgarage.com. That's it.
Okay, go there. Again, they don't have this on the website, so if you watch the channel, these are exclusive. Go ahead, hit us up. They'll source it for you, and we'll get it. They offer it in a matte or dry carbon look, as you can see here, or you can get it in the nice, wet, glossy finish. Same thing goes for the cover. You can do that. All right, you'll be able to find us at where, Lewis?
December 21st, Honda Cars and Coffee. Meet us at the Honda booth. We'll bring the Integra and the FL5.
As a consolation.
Here you go.
Nobody wants to see that.
December 22nd, Streets of Willow, Doghouse, FL5, Integra, EJ, EK.
We'll be there.
We'll be there.
The chaser.
I guess still chaser.
But anyways, boys, like I was saying, go ahead and drop us a comment. Let us know how you like the new part on the car. Let us know if there's anything else, you guys have any ideas that we can do to the car. Or once you guys get to see Lewis's car in action, let us know what you guys think. make sure you guys hit the like button. Also, make sure that you subscribe. A lot of you are not subscribed. All we're asking for is a little quick, little simple click right there on the subscribe, and you'll be able to see everything that we post coming out here. And again, like I was saying, we've now changed the name to the YouTube channel to The Garage. Now look out for that. When you see postings, that's us. Same channel, same buffoonery that we do all the time, same quality installs, and same work that we all put out here. So again, guys, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you guys out on the next one.
Where the fuck is Sky at?
Oh, that's making it. All right, and with the magic of editing,
We are finally back from the shop. This is the dry carbon finish. Don't worry, guys. It is gonna come in that nice gloss carbon finish that I know some people have already let us know about. I do know that Group and Garage is already updating the listing for both, so don't worry. The dry carbon for all your FKA guys will be available. And another couple questions that we've been receiving is this gonna fit the Accord? Yes, it will fit the Accord since they do share the exact same valve cover. Anything with the new K20Cs should be basically easy to just install. Same way, exact way, as you guys saw in the video right now.
what about for everybody that's been, or actually that's going to ask, how's the fitment? How's the hardware?
It's designed to fit how it's supposed to. That's what I'm gonna say.
Right, it's spot on. I mean,
Yeah.
Again, when we were at the shop, we showed some of the videos. Again, I'll go ahead and do some little cutaways right now, so that way you guys can see what we're talking about. The fitment is spot on. If you guys are worried about, oh, does it line up? Does it have any kind of fit issues? We did no modifications to it. The included hardware is legit. I mean,
Yeah.
me, because I'm just a little bit anal, I said I want to change the hardware, but literally it's spot on. There's nothing wrong with it. You
Yeah.
you can ride with this and you'll be fine. And then again, don't mean to cut you off, Lewis, but just for all of you that are gonna ask the question, even though again, sorry guys, I don't know if we covered it in the video, but this is why we're gonna cover it right now. When we were installing, this piece is 100% carbon fiber.
Yeah.
There is no overlay. There is no like what's that, resin bottom
Yeah,
or
so
something
usually
like that?
if you see some products that are being built by like smaller carbon companies that are just trying to look for aesthetics, the bottom of it is just going to be like a fiberglass type of like resin that they use. This is like literally complete carbon on both ends. Like you'll be able to see like this is like a hand laid carbon piece. So if you guys are worried about it being like just a overlay, it's not. It's officially just like one piece of carbon that they're laying like sheet by sheet.
I think the piece looks good. I think it would even shine even more in gloss.
Yeah. The only thing I would probably recommend for any of the gloss ones, I mean, as we know, most cleared products, they always recommend you to clear them yourself because of the gel coating that they add from the factory when they build them. So I would just recommend, if you guys are thinking about long-term use and a long-term heat exposure, I would probably say to get those cleared.
Right,
Yeah.
and that's what we did here for the Shop FL5. I mean, these have all been sprayed matte clear. So again, if you're getting it in dry carbon, I pointed at the wrong item, but if you're getting that in dry carbon, you can get it sprayed in a satin finish gloss, and it'll look exactly like it. I mean, look at this. You know,
But
it's
luckily,
only shiny because you see the light, but literally,
yeah.
you know, you've seen pictures, guys, and those of you that have seen it up close, you see that it's not shiny.
Yeah, it's a nice
Actually, really nice.
matte
Oh,
finish.
Sorry, Ichi. Scoot over, sir. You're in the shot.
But yeah, but like I said, this is just our specific car. When maybe we'll get the gloss one and then just install it, you know, just a test fit one.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys might be able to reach get an open box discount, you know.
Hey, look out.
But yeah, the hardware itself, nice stainless steel spacers. They include 4 spacers like you saw in the video. It's all good quality. And just make sure you install it the same way like in the video, and then you guys should pretty much be ready to go. Like Albert said, he's a little picky about the hardware, but most of the cars already have just a black. I think this would even look good with the original black cover. You know, like a nice gloss finish, or even like a matte with the matte cover. I think would look perfect. It would make it look super OEM.
Anyways, guys, if you guys have questions,
Yeah, feel free to
reach
Instagram,
out.
email. Go on the website. We have like a little chat thing. You can send a message to. You get a reply pretty quickly. But yeah, As of right now, I think we're the only shop that has it available on our site for sale. So we should be expecting it by the first week of January.
These will sell out, guaranteed. We've been getting a lot of good
inquiries at shows and stuff. So yeah, and the good thing is that they fit FK8, Accord, and FL5. So there's plenty of people out there that are going to be interested, especially the show guys.
And if you're in SoCal, hit us up. Swing by the shop. The car will be at the shop. You guys can take a look at it if you're questioning it, and we'll have it on hand. So if you want to buy it right then and there, there'll be no wait time.
Yeah. So just right now, the order is just being fulfilled, and you guys will receive it probably by the first week of January. So thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, super simple install, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the like button.
But yeah, remember guys, I appreciate you guys. We've been to a lot of meets recently, and we get people coming up to us all the time and just saying they appreciate the videos, they watch us all the time, and honestly that's great. And we appreciate that you guys are actually watching, tuning in, you know, and that we're somehow helping you guys with your installs, with buying products, some reviews. I had some dude come up to me, he's like, dude, like, I literally watched your entire like brake video just so like I could put my Paragons on, right? And that's like, and that's why we do it. We want to make sure, even though we're a shop and like our main business is like installing stuff,
we're not gatekeepers.
Yeah, we don't want to be those dudes, you know. We'd rather just let you guys know how to do stuff, and if you guys can do it at your home and you guys don't have to go out and spend money, then that's just what it is, you know. Otherwise, but if you guys want to buy parts, you know, that also helps a lot.
I was gonna say, otherwise, come to the shop.
Yeah, just come.
We'll install your stuff. You'll have a good time talking to us, and you never know, we might even feature you in the video.
Yeah, I have a next track video is actually a really cool feature that we're gonna do.
That one's gonna be dope.
So luckily, we had one of you guys, actually a subscriber, who was there, and he let us do a little review on his car, and it was pretty cool. So it was just every FL5 is a little bit different. Every track build is a little bit different, and yeah, we literally had opportunity to just be able to shoot one of you guys' cars. So yeah, and then if you guys haven't seen this, you guys can go to Automotive Anatomy, and we do a full test drive with this FL5. If you guys are kind of want to see how the car drives on the street, and then with the track videos, you guys will see how it drives actually on track. So,
and don't forget the DC2 SEMA show car.
Yeah.
He also, Gus, shout out Gus, also featured that car.
Automotive
Actually,
Anatomy.
he featured that car, and this car kind of piggybacked in, and great, you know, we're grateful that he was able to do that for us. That's awesome. Again, shout out
Automotive Anatomy. Go watch them. Huge support. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, if you guys are interested in these products, it's available on groupandgarage.com.